Hi, welcome to this YouTube tutorial where I'm going to walk you step by step through how to install your new preset into your Lightroom app on your phone. First of all, head over to your inbox and find the attached preset. Open that up and then you need to save it to your phone. Now I save to files and I pop mine into the Chrome. You could put yours in your Google Drive or anywhere you want to save it on your phone. Now you can get out of there, open up the Lightroom app. Now, you see the plus sign on top of the gallery picture. Click on that and then from files, locate the file on your phone and select it. Your phone will now install that into the app. Then just click on recently added. Yours will be the latest one there. Open it up and then you hit the three little buttons at the top. Click create preset. Now you can create a new preset group, or I already have one labeled copper red, and just enter it in there and you select the preset name. That's done. Then you can head over to all your photos, select one, open it up, and then scroll along the bottom until you see presets. When you open that up, your new save preset should be there for you to click on and apply. If it doesn't fit perfectly, tick and then follow the steps along the bottom and play around until you have the desired effect. Enjoy!